Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
I did last night. I'm gonna look for her. I'm thinking just get me in a little mood in a man in a family. I miss my race, man. Rushell so people really have to dead for people live. Rushell is the perfect definition of being decent. You know, I'll know. You see, if Rushell see me come in the kitchen here, if Rushell I cook, nobody can lift up our pot, nobody can go over the 12 trade principle. Me the all the one when Nancy said, man, I'm not able to fear that I go to come beside chicken. Rushell spot me now. And alone put her hand in my bosom. I say, Rushell, alone, Rushell, I don't like. Rushell, leave me alone, Rush. I never like it, you know. Not right. Yeah, man, I know the cycle of life. I was not right. Yeah, man. It used to annoy me when she take out my breast, you know. But it's when I say she's sick, but I to them and gear. Oh, nothing like that. Cool bashment. Oh, God. I know that's how she said do it for me. I shall alone do it out of a 5 feet of them. You see that? Shall alone no do it. Cool bashment. May I tell the people them so last night when my God she said place to lock. I threw my tough, me just and I even say me go like my tough. Me just have a rough hard thinking in it. But that don't mean to say through my rough hard and things up to cool. I mean I come here tell her. I go bed, I wake up, me say 11 something, 23 something that mean at 12. Then I go back and I go sleep. And I wake up 1:30. Then I go back and sleep again and I wake up 3. So I wonder if next year them time if I say I go ball same way. If I say I go break down. Break every chain, break every chain. There is power. I not even have the power voice. Where's the bashment? I came back and look for him with the mind going on man in the entire come out. Before the day done. Yeah, man, I want to see her, man. I want to say, whoa. All of the Indians must have loved ones that dead already. But the closeness, yeah. All right, cool bashment, and I'm marking right. You remember when you said to me, say, Janice, why are you going into the dark to look for Rushell? You remember what was my reply? Morning, Dewey, what do we there? Dewey asleep. Cool bashment. You remember when you said to me that I'm going to reach out the burying ground yet? And you said to me, say, Janice, why you go in the dark? And I say, because I want to go. Something like something. Say, remember? I give you an answer. And at that time when I go and said something lacking in my heart, it come like cool bashment to do it to the place and it burn me in the man. Come never ever see said lacking her. Come well ticket over and I drive going to the look, see the black gate mess up. Cool bashment. 2 minutes before you asked me why am I going in the dark. But it was 4 o'clock. So I now look to them I go, morning Dewey. I know how it feel losing a loved ones. You say it's still early. Oh, yesterday that me say it's still early. See, they remember more than me. Yes, because for the time me I watch it was after 4. So you know when I go, even though you asked me the question because I watched the darkness of the sky, but the time I was looking at it was to 4 or after 4, I know some 4 o'clock something. Yeah, man, I miss my pitney man. I think say I get over it. I don't know some cry. Boy, I don't know every day that day do. Sometime coffee, sometime tea, wake you, rise and shine. I can't be everybody cup of tea because it's not. Yeah, coolie bashment I come for me. I am carry me yesterday, so I'm a carry me back today. You know, if I have nobody who close to me, we're dead. I must have. What says your first pitney, you know, you make me know me a woman, you know, and she make me know me a mother, you know. And she me have to learn, sir, nappy, breastfeed, when my breast suck, and the breast full up with the milk, and me have some women with them big tough something on my breast. And mommy say, I said, got baby milk. The baby milk cake up, and my mother guide me through it. I remember, you know, when Rushell born, you know, she had 2 weeks. Jesus Christ, I'm a miss it. Ah. She was 2 weeks. And my mother came out a parade out of my mother's. You know what mother's out a parade? Go put my power bus and sent them as she said. Me know why you kind of know nothing about baby. Me I sit up a country till when me come back. So my sister them me put me Rushell on the bus to that. You want to see when me like a baby. I never forgot. I'm telling her we reach Rushell, when Rushell young, when she had 2 weeks, you know, because she have the cold. That's why I'm telling her about a long time. But I can't tell me. I said the bad cold, when you pain up and so, and they just new name them put on it. A long time they run them I call it bronchitis and pneumonia. Anyway, I may have the flu and Rushell have the flu, you know. I just remember, you know. And mommy came and go to a parade because she said she'll go up in the East, go do one job. And she didn't pick me. And she sent me to her sister. At that time, my mother not dead, you know, my grandmother. And my granny in the room, because my granny asleep now with Rushell, you know. But the baby nose, you know, when you have the thick cola come through your nose. Remember me sick as well, you know, but my baby this, you know. So the thick cola and she can't breathe. So you know the eucalyptus oil. The eucalyptus oil himself for cola, you can put it in your head or put it on your clothes and it make you breathe. I take the whole buckle. Come in and know no baby. I take the whole buckle. The same thing. What do I want to my phone? What's going on here with my phone? My soul telling them I forgot. Don't move, don't move. What the hell going on here? Why the phone have the light there? Yeah. The same baby when mommy said she don't want. Ah, God bless her soul. I take the back like eucalyptus oil because I'm speedy. So my brain that said, for put liquor upon her clothes, because granny did put liquor upon her clothes, but my brain that said a little bit cannot work. So I take the whole buckle and put it on her nose, so. Remember I want 2 weeks old baby and put it on the baby nose, so. I look, me see the baby a frat, and I do something, and be a frat, I come out and I just throw it granny. We can't laugh. Listen,
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.